up, guys? Today we're here.
All right, today's the day. Joe is finally getting his valves cleaned, courtesy of that thing right there. So that's actually made for sandblasting, but it works with this too. Since he's gotten all stage 2 and everything, he's been having crazy jam and knock readings and blah, blah, blah. I had the same thing. And I did the valves, did the spark plugs, and everything went away and the car ran beautifully. So this isn't gonna be like it's gonna be kind of like a how-to. It's just gonna basically just show what happens before and after you do it. But yeah, there's a couple different videos online. Subi Bros, they do a like start to finish in-depth tutorial on them doing it, and it's perfect. So Joe, what do you think?
Yeah, no, they're pretty dirty. The valves get pretty dirty. I guess this is my first car with a turbo, so I'm learning about it. I guess the box motors have lots of carbon buildup and stuff like that, but I'm sure you already know that if you're watching this video. Also, we should show them the what the valves actually look like.
All right, courtesy of my real job, we have a bore scope and a fairly nice one at that. So this is his driver's side, and boxer motor, yeah, but it's basically any direct injection motor. You're gonna get all this. So he's at like 47,000 miles right now, and that's what his valves look like. And then his intake fins look like this. These are supposed to be shiny, as you can tell. This is supposed to be all gone.
Yeah, we'll show.
Nasty.
Yeah, look at that.
Is it focusing?
Yeah, it's good in there.
Yeah. So yeah, it's gonna be a good day.
Yeah.
Took this off in record time. When I did it in my car, it took me all day just to get it off, make sure everything was proper and I don't f anything up. We took this off and we're ready to go in half an hour. Don't fall.
Waiting for goddamn FedEx to get me my shit.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Look at Mr. Beef.
So right now we're going around the horn, and we're gonna start with rear passenger cylinder. I think that's where. Okay, so it's starting to open now. So what you do?
Yep.
Go around and open the valves up by
Yep.
cranking the crankshaft, and then
That's so fucking cool.
right, and then go back to closing them, and then you do like another quarter turn.
A little bit more.
Keep going.
It's closing by itself right now. Hold up.
That's
That's
compression.
good. That's good.
No, keep going.
One more. Yeah, do like 2 more turns.
Yep, there it goes. And then do like another quarter turn. Keep going down a little bit. One more, a little bit. Good.
That's good.
All right, that's good. And then, yeah, just to make sure everything's all closed.
So you pretty much just do one valve at a time.
Exactly. And even if you get some media inside the cylinder on top of it, it burns off like that. So yeah, cylinder 4 is ready for the part.
Yeah. Always just make sure you close your valves.
Yeah.
Yo, Mike, you want to see how tiny my nipples are?
What? We need to start the coal stove.
Wow.
Look how tiny my nipples are, dude.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Jeez.
I could braid your shit.
I can't wait to see the before and after the fucking valves, dude. I'm so excited.
Compresses quick.
Small. It's a little baby compressor.
All right, so we're outside. We're gonna test out on the fins, see how good it is. Yeah, see, that works pretty good.
Yeah.
So, see here.
That's after. That's before.
Yep.
And that's just on the intake fin. Oh, there we go. Yep. So anyway, I started blasting. That hurt.
My gun. Oh. Anyway, I started blasting. Bang!
See that face. It's so pretty.
Oh, that
He just starts throwing them around.
Ooh.
But yeah, pretty fucking excited.
Yeah, now we're just waiting on a part that goes over the intake track to kind of keep down the mess, because this is not our garage. I mean, at this point it's like our garage, but Luke owns it, so we're trying to be nice to him. So
The total time I've spent over here is over 24 hours, so technically it's mine, right, Luke?
Yeah, it's ours now.
yeah, we just want to keep down the mess. And then, yeah, I mean, we could do it now. We'd probably be already done blasting the valves by now, but gotta be nice, especially if we want to pull your tranny in here, do my clutch, blah, 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 everything else.
It's always good to clean your surface area on anything with a gasket. If you don't, you're just dumb.
Stupid.
You heard that, filler? You fucking dumbass.
Actually, I'm not gonna pop this.
Yeah, you can see it.
Yeah.
I'm not popping that cap.
So you can't really tell from the camera, but on the start of the taper on the rod, there's a lot of like crazy, weird, nasty buildup. So I'm just kind of like picking at it nice and gently with this. And yeah, just being careful not to push down and score or push down the valves. Because the walnut blast will take like 99% of everything, like on the tracked wall and everything on the actual head itself. It'll take most of it off. When you do when you get all these big chunky pieces off of here, you got to make sure you try to clean them up, because they'll run through they'll drop down onto the piston and make bad noises, and then it could be really bad if it doesn't come out the exhaust.
Boom, boom, clack, clack.
Literally like clink, clink, clink. It'll sound like rocks. So that's on top of the, I don't know if it'll focus.
Walk out.
Yeah, it's
That's that poop.
that's that dookie.
That's dookie. That was beautiful eyes.
All right, so we just did one
Set of valves.
No, it was just one set of valves. And let's take a comparison. So this is, does it focus? So this is the one we didn't do. So some of the walnuts got on the other side, but that's fine. They just fell in there. So check out how dirty all that is, still black. Look at this side. This is, hang on. This is nice and clean. Yeah. All right, let's get jiggy. Next one.
That black adapter right there makes your life 10 times easier when you're doing this.
Yeah. If you look down in there at the bottom, there's a lot of gunked up stuff on the bottom. So I'll take this very gently, kind of just like break it up, and then a lot of times you don't even have to blast it again. You just put the vacuum in, suck it back up, and then.
But because my asshole's so tight, I kind of want to do without the black piece on there too.
Joe, you didn't say that. You have to love your audience no matter.
Well, there's always going to be haters. You ignore them and you give them all the.
Wait, what did I say to the audience?
You said my butthole is tight.
Yeah, so what? There's so many worse things said on YouTube than that?
Yeah. Logan Paul.
Yeah, right? He literally made a video about a fake dead person.
No, it was a real dead person.
Oh, no, it was a real dead person.
Fucking
That's Suicide Forest in Japan, right? Yeah.
That was real. That's why it was a big deal, because it was.
Hey, yo, fuck Jake Paul, bro.
long cocksuckers.
Yeah, what are we doing?
I'm putting on the TGV now. These are the TGVs. So this is gonna get put on now, and then. Yep. And connect the harness once everything's all said and done. Bing, bang, boom. Maybe.
Better make sure you put that hose on, right?
Technically, I did put it on mine. It just came off, and the clip disappeared.
Did it, Mike? It just disappeared.
Joe, how you feeling now? A lot less stress now.
I'm hungry.
Yeah. I'm very hungry too.
Look at me, looking all sexy. You already know, big dick chasing.
Just finished up, about to do the first startup.
Listen to one part!
Woo! My check engine light's on.
It's on? What's it say?
Shell f***ing power, cocksuckers. Oh.
Wait, what?
All right, we're reflashing the tune after clearing some codes. Shut the ignition out. Bing, bada, boom. All right, and we'll get back to you once we flash this and go for a drive and see what happens. What's the consensus? How does it feel?
I don't know, man. It's fucking awesome. Every time I get in this car, I smile. Throttle's way more responsive. My dam's at 1 for now.
It'll stay there. I don't even see you get any readings for fine knock.
Feels good. Second gear pull real quick.
God, yo!
It fucking pulls, dude.
Oh my God!
It feels good. It feels really good.
It feels good.
Not one hiccup in that second gear pull. Not fucking one.
Yeah.
Kickflip first try. Or heel flip, excuse me.
Either one.
No. I suck.
Joe, how we feeling?
I'm feeling good as f, dude. I feel like I have a huge dick.
Yeah. So, without a hitch, f***ing mint. Alex is not with us at the moment.
No.
All right, on that note, till next time, because we are hungry as peace. I'm gay as